Hi all, it is a very exciting day today to have all the students from our primary schools. Just having a young student in school, having the fun and excitement is absolutely fantastic. The kids had a lovely time, they learned a lot, and most importantly, I can see in their eyes they're looking forward to come here to join us. So thank you for all the support you've given them so far. This will make the transition from them from our primary school to Heron Hall a smooth and seamless transition. Together we'll succeed. Thank you.
My favourite thing about Heron Hall was rounders because it had the bats and then there was a person there and then we had to like swing the bat.